Hi there, what's up? Welcome back to Economics. I am Dr. Shreya Roy, and this is lecture 5 of SPSS or Data Analytics using SPSS. In today's session, we are going to be learning crosstabs, normal distribution, histogram, and ratios, histograms with normal distributions. That's about it. If you do not know already, this is a certificate course, online certificate course, wherein you can register to our data analytics using SPSS. The link is down in the description box. All you need to do is hit the link, fill up the form, and that's about it. So the videos are obviously free. You need to pay for taking the examination, and once you clear your examination, you are entitled to an international and Government of India recognized certificate. So about Economics is an international education research and data analytics company serving knowledge across 160 countries. And we are registered under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Ministry of Education, uh, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Startup India, MSME, Skill India. That's about it. So I think now we can roll into the video. About the book, if you do not have any SPSS data analytics books available, you may take them from us. You can write to us at contact@economics.com or comment down below, or you may WhatsApp us on the number being displayed on the screen. We will either email you the handouts and the study material, or we will courier you our books. If you haven't already watched our lecture 1 through 4, go ahead and do that because we're going to learn how to open a data set and the basics of data analysis, and that's going to be helpful. Do that. Now, the data that is being displayed on your screen is basically the data of cosmetic firms where their profits, sales, and advertisement expenditure is being displayed, and whether the leader or the founder or the CEO is male or female. So if the CEO is female, it is being displayed by 0. If he is male, it is being displayed by 1. Age is being displayed by young and old, where young is displayed by 0 and old is being displayed by 1. Experience is, if the person is experienced, then it is being displayed by 1. And if the person is not experienced, basically is just starting out, then the experience is being displayed by 0. So that's about the data. Now let's proceed. So first we are going to learn about tabulation, which is extremely important. If you can display your data in a good tabular format, half your work is done there, because data display, the display of data is very crucial for data analytics or, data science in general. So what do? We go to analyze, descriptive statistics, click on crosstabs. Okay, and then we have rows and columns. And let's say I want to select gender to the rows and age to the column and click on OK. So this is what my output result looks like. So it shows that in the given data, we have 11 female old leaders, 2 young female leaders, 2 old male leaders, and 10 young male leaders. In total, we have 25 data points. Similarly, what if you want more columns or more rows to your tabulation? How do you do that? Go to descriptive statistics, click on crosstabs. Let's reset everything. And this is how a new, fresh, pop-up looks like. So gender to the row, age to the column. Now let's say I want to add one more. And I do experience over here. Click on OK. Now, so what do we see? So this is when you need multiple tabulations or multiple tables. Here it is showing a cross-tabulation of gender into age, and here it's showing a cross-tabulation of gender into experience. So there is another method in which you can do the two tabulations together. Go to Analyze, click on Tables, click on Custom Tables. So it's a similar thing as cross tabs, but just here you're not doing a cross tabulation, but you are displaying your data in a more structured uh, table format. Okay, so let's say I want gender in the rows and age in the column, and I also want experience in the column. Okay, so a trick over here is which you have to listen carefully because most of my students make this mistake is let's reset it. So all times I'm resetting it and this is where we are standing. So when you are dragging and putting it, make sure that the rows, diagram, the rectangle diagram is red in color. See, now it is gray, now it is red, now it is gray, okay, now it is red. So basically when it is red, so basically you have dragged and kept the variable on the correct place and then you drop it so it accepts it. Now for example, I take up gender and just randomly drop anywhere. Okay, so it is not going to be accepted. So click on gender, click on age and drag until it is red in color. When it is red in color, then you leave or release the click button. That is when the variable is actually getting accepted. Okay, now let's do the similar thing for experience and okay. So now what do we see? So initially I had two tables or two cross tabulations. Here everything is in the same table. Okay, for female, we have 3 old and 0 young with no experience. And for female, we have 8 old and 2 young with experience. On the other hand, for male, we have 0 old and 9 young with no experience. And we have 2 old and 1 young with experience. Okay, so there are two methods. One is custom tables and the other one is cross-tabs. Make sure you use them wisely according to your need. Now, for the next part, let's understand ratio. Okay, so let's go to Analyze, go to Descriptive Statistics, click on Ratio. Okay, so let's, for the sake of numerator, let us take profit. For the sake of denominator, let us take save and click on OK. So your answer over here is 0.963. Repeating. Analyze, descriptive statistics, ratio, reset everything. For numerator, select profit. For denominator, select sales and click on OK. So you'll get your value, which is 0.963. So, now let us understand histogram. Let's go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies, and I want to check out the histogram profit. So I clicked on profit, clicked on charts, clicked on histogram and continue and OK. So this is the display of my histogram over here. Histogram basically is similar to bar chart, but there isn't any space in the middle, or basically the data is continuous and not discrete in the format. So Now, if I want to add normal distribution to check whether the data is normally distributed or not, what do? I go to Analyze, click on Descriptive Statistics, click on Frequencies, go to Charts, and you will see that there is an option shows Show Normal Curve on Histogram. Click on that, click on Continue, click on OK. And now the new data that you have shows an inverted U line on top of it. If you draw a line through the middle of the inverted U, and if the left-hand side of the U and the right-hand side of the U are similar, I'm not saying congruent, but I'm saying similar, more or less same, then you say that the data is normally distributed. Let's repeat the process once more and see. Analyze descriptive statistics, frequencies. Let's reset everything and let's take save. And for charts, let's click on histogram, show normal curve on histogram, continue, and OK. So now what do we see? If I draw a line over here, it is heavier on the left side. That it is a left-tailed data and not a right-tailed data. Hence, we say that it is not normally distributed. So I hope you learned something new. If you did, like, follow, subscribe. And if you have any doubts or comments, please drop them down below or email us or WhatsApp us, whatever pleases you. See you in the next session. Until then, bye-bye.